Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing how to draw a toxic pea from Plants vs. Zombies. Let's get started at the top center of our page with the left eye. So we're going to draw a circle starting from the top. Work our way around to the bottom. Then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to draw a smaller circle on the inside. So we're going to step in. Just trace this around on the inside. On the top left of the eye, we're going to draw a half circle for a highlight. So starting on the side, curve around, and then back out. We're going to fill the eye in black. Now I'm going to move over to the right and draw in a smaller circle for the right eye. So I want to leave a small gap in the center, starting at the top. We'll work our way around. And then back up. Now again, I want to draw a smaller circle in the center. Stepping in. Now we want to push the pupil over towards the left. So I'm going to start at the top and draw a curve coming down towards the bottom to create a little trim on the right side. Now I'm going to draw that little half circle for the highlight. Going around. And then we're going to fill the inside of the eye in black. Now let's layer the eyebrows up on top of the eye. So I'm going to start on the left side, curve up, and then out. We'll do the same thing on the right, curving up, and then out. We're going to come up with two short lines towards the top of the eyebrow. Now we're going to take this and just curve down towards the inside of the eye. So we're just tapering this down, and then in. Now we're going to continue over towards the right side with the mouth. So we're going to draw a large oval. So we start in the center of the eye, we're going to move over towards the top of the mouth and draw that oval. Going around, down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to draw the opening of the mouth. So we're going to draw a smaller oval, stepping in. Just going to trace this around on the inside. All the way around. Now we want to show the inside of the mouth. So starting from the top, it's going to curve out and then back over towards the left. Now we're going to fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now from here we're going to draw on the top of the head. So from the inside of the mouth, we're going to curve up in towards the eye and underneath the eyebrow. Just going up and in. We're going to round out the back of the head and then come down towards the bottom. Starting at the top of the eyebrow, I'm curve up, over towards the left. I'm just going to bring this down to right about here. Now we're going to have to overlap the vent on top of the head. So we start from this point, we're going to draw a circle, a large circle, going around. And then back down. And we're going to continue the head coming in behind the vent. We're going to come up and then just flatten it out in behind the mouth. We're going up and just flattening it out. Let's add some detail to the vent. So on the inside, we're going to draw a smaller circle. Just working our way around, leaving even space gap all the way around. Now going across the middle, we're going to draw two horizontal lines. One along the top, and then stepping down, we'll draw that again. We're going to draw two more, one at the top and one at the bottom. Now we're going to work in the opposite direction in behind these lines. So starting in the center, we're going to draw a line coming down in behind, all the way down towards the bottom. Now go over towards the right and draw the same thing. Now we're going to draw two more on either side. Starting on the left. And then we'll work our way inside. You might see a little bit on the top here. Now on the right. Now we're going to go in and color the inside areas in black. I want to show that this vent is pointing downwards, so we want to show the edge of the vent hose. Starting from the top, we're going to step in, draw a short angled line going up and out. Down at the bottom, we're going to do the same thing. Now we're going to connect those 2 points with a curve, going around and then back down. Now right on the inside between the mouth and the eye, we want to draw the cracked edge of the mask. So we start at the top here, we're going to curve around in between the eye and the mouth. We're going to draw a little crack. We're going to come in and then back out. We're going to continue this curve all the way down, but along the way, we're going to add these little cracks. Come down, draw a line. Now we're going to come back in, curve down towards the bottom of the head. Now in between the mouth and the head, right in here, we want to show the back side of the right vent. Starting here, we're just going to curve down and then back up. Now from that same starting point, we want to curve in between, going across and up just for the edge of the hose. Now let's move to the back of the head and draw the edge of the mask. So we're going to start at the very top, we're going to curve out towards the left, come down towards the bottom of the head. Now I'm going to draw that twice. We're going to step in and just create a thick band going all the way across. In behind the eyebrow, and all the way down towards the bottom. Along the side, we're going to add 2 buckles. So let's start with the top one. We're going to draw an angled line, move over and draw that same thing. We're going to trace this out on the inside to create the edge of the buckle. We're going to add 1 more down here. So 1 line, we'll step down. Now we're going to trace this out on the inside. Now we're going to add the straps going to the back of the head. From this line, we're going to step in, draw an angled line going up. From the top, we'll step in, going up. We'll do the same thing down here. Now on the back of the head, there's 3 leaves. So let's start with the top leaf. So at the very top of the head, we'll curve out toward the left and we'll go up. Now that's going to curve this around in behind the head, going down. Let's layer in the second leaf. So stepping up about halfway along the leaf, curve down and out, and we'll curl it back up on the end. Now we're going to come down and pull that in behind the head. Let's draw 1 more, about halfway down here, curve out towards the left, come down, and then in behind the head. Let's add the little seam in between the leaves. Starting from the top, it's going to go up and out. Right here, we're going to come across and down, and then the bottom will curve in the opposite direction. Now let's move down and draw on the stem. So we start underneath this vent, we're going to curve down and then over towards the right. We step in and create that thick stem. Just following that same curve, going across towards the same height. Now I'm going to layer 2 leaves on either side. So in the middle, I'm going to step down in the center, draw a point. From this point, I want to curve in towards that line and then out. And we'll do the same thing on the right. From the center, we'll go up and then out. Now from here, we're going to step up along the side of the stem, curving up, and then back down towards the tip of the leaf. We'll do the same thing on the right, going up and then down. Now from here, we're going to curve down and then up in towards that middle point. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to add 2 more leaves in the back here. So from this leaf, we're going to step up on the side of the stem, curve up and out. The same thing on the right. Now we're going to step up and draw the top of the leaf, curving out and then down. And then we're just going to pull this down and in behind the front leaves. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's the toxic pea from Plants vs. Zombies. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.